UK Parliament. When you're 18, you can vote in UK Parliament elections as long as you are a citizen of the UK or of Ireland or a Commonwealth country and also have leave to remain in the UK. The UK Parliament is based in London and is made up of the House of Commons and the House of Lords. The public votes for the 650 members of Parliament in the House of Commons, but the House of Lords is not elected. The UK Parliament looks after some things which affect Wales, such as foreign affairs, defence and immigration. These are called reserved matters. Every person in the UK is represented by one Member of Parliament, or MP for short. 32 MPs represent Wales. They are usually elected every 5 years. Each MP represents one constituency. They split their time between London and the area they represent. They spend their time listening to local people, making and changing laws, debating in Parliament, and looking closely at the government's plans. You can get in touch with all the people who represent you to raise issues and ask questions. You can find their contact details online. Find out more about what you can vote for and how to register at electoralcommission.org.uk/learning.